So 2014 Ram 1500. That sticker is a lie. It's not a 5.7 anymore. It's got the 6.4 Scat pack motor in it. And he finally had some time to bring it back so we can make it a little bit quieter for him, unfortunately. So we'll let you guys hear what it sounds like before. This is what it sounds like after. Long tube headers, there and there. It's got exhaust cutouts, there and there. And then what we did is put an X pipe on it. Part number SXP6. And he had the box for the exhaust cutouts. So here's the part number on the exhaust cutouts. We'll see if we can get you guys a link for that too. Then we also installed 2 ultra quiets, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There's the part number 1142, a set of those. Then 3-inch pipe continues. And then my guys threw the box away, so we wrote the number on the mufflers. 2 AP turbo mufflers to quieten it down even more. Part number 690533. There'll be a link in the description for them. Big bodies right there. To continue the true dual setup, we left the tailpipes the same on each side because that's what he wanted. And the resonators are there, and they're factory. And then factory 5-inch tips out the back, there and there. And that's the 2 mufflers that were on it, the Borla Pro XS's that we cut off. And there's the midsection pipes that we had to remake to make it all fit. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, hit that subscribe. Yeah, and he had all that custom built 6.4 put in at Dynamite Performance. If you guys wonder where he got it done at, that's where he got it done at. Shout out to Dynamite Performance. It's not the same truck anymore.
No, looks like my old 5.7.
Yeah.
It licks a little
Now
bit.
it's a sleeper.
Yeah.
Here's idle now. So definitely got a lot quieter. And this is a cold start, guys. Right at 76. It's a lot quieter. I think it's a lot doable now, yeah. Now you can actually drive it, become a daily.
One less thing.
Yeah. What's up, man? I like it sounding the other way, but you have the cutouts, so.
Yeah, I got those, yes. I got
Wow. Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. Yeah? We hit it right on the head, right at 100, so that's perfect. Again? Go ahead and back it out. It's not the same truck anymore. It's so quiet. That's crazy. Until you open the valves, then it becomes crazy again. You can hear the headers. That's crazy. Scat pack motor. I gotta do mine like that. What do you guys think? Did you like the old sound or the new sound? What do you think? You like the old sound or the new sound?
I don't like the old sound. The wife's gonna like the new sound.
Yeah. It's always the wife's fault, man. I'm telling you. Well, we love them. It's okay. Yeah. You still have the best of both worlds, you know? Exactly. Let you guys hear it on the inside. No problem. There's that 6.4 sniper. Woo. You can hear that sucker. And this is their contact info, guys, if you ever want to get it done. You want another one done. What this built run?
23,000. Motor,
About
transmission, everything.
Motor, transmission, headers, exhaust, everything. When they first built it, it was, we'll say 25K. So, you guys.
A functional ram air hood.
And it's a functional ram air hood too. Look, I'll show it to you guys. Look at that. Carbon fiber too. Carbon fiber. It's a wrap, guys, but it looks cool. nice looking truck. I like it.
Go ahead. Sound decibels?
A lot quieter. I think it's a lot doable now, yeah. Now you can actually drive it. It's become a daily.
One less thing.
Yeah. What's up, man? I like it sounding the other way, but you have the cutouts, so.
Yeah, I got those, yes. I
Yeah.
got those.
Wow. Here's sound decibels now. Go ahead. Yeah? We hit it right on the head, right at 100, so that's perfect. Again? Go ahead and back it out. Oh, that's cool. I didn't notice that. Look at his eyes. Ha! That's awesome. I like that. I need one of those. Yeah, that would look sick, dude. I'm gonna look for one now. See, we do make them quiet too, guys, not just loud. If the wife's not happy, nobody's happy. So we gotta keep the wife happy so the husband can always have their toys. Don't you guys agree? I got a question for you guys. What did you guys ever have to do to keep the wife happy? Damn, that was nice. Beast mode! Out of a Scat pack, ram. Enjoy, guys. Look at this beast. What a beast. Woo! 392 in a ramp. Can't beat it. It's pushing 520 horse. He's bringing it back next week. We're gonna make it quieter, unfortunately. So I just gave you guys a little teaser.